Dear students, today I am going to explain the very important questions in business statistics 2. So these are very important questions. So what are the instructions I am giving here? Just follow these instructions to get good marks in final exam. So definitely, if you follow my questions, definitely you'll get outstanding in final exam. So first, I am going to the concept of regression and what are the differences between correlation and regression. So define the regression and difference between the correlation and you know already what is the meaning of regression. Regression and correlation, it talks about relationship between the two variables. So in regression, whatever the two variables we are there, the two variables are dependent variables. So one variable is depends on other variable. So whereas in correlation, the two variables are independent variables. So that we have to write it. So you have to write the differences between the correlation and now next, what is the meaning of importance and limitations of regression analysis. So the first question is very important, and these what are the questions I'm giving the star, at least star questions, so are important. So the next comes to the concept of what is the now what is the meaning of regression coefficient. So this is the important question. So next comes to the next question, regression equation problem. Compulsory you will be getting. So I already uploaded the important questions videos in my channel. So I already uploaded the web technologies important questions and business statistics important questions, and business statistics complete subject videos will be uploaded in my channel, so you can make use of the question. And I given only 5 videos I have uploaded regarding the regression equations. Just if you understand that 5 videos, like one and a half hour video is there. So once you understand that 1.5 hour video, you can solve any problem in regression equation. So this is about the regression equation. So x on y, y on x, both the problems you need to do. Okay. Next, to define index numbers. So and what are the features and uses of index numbers? This is also very important question. So next, when it comes to what is the difference between what are the different types of index numbers? You know already, price index numbers, quantity index numbers, all index numbers you have to, the formulas you have to write. Construction of, so all just the names and everything you have to explain. Last PS, patches, Fisher, Cayley's, Darby, so all formulas and everything you write it in. So next, state the methods of calculating price index numbers. So already this will be covered in the question number 6. So here only price index numbers, total 7 formulas are there now. Last PS, patches and Marshall, Edgeworth, Darby, Fisher's, Cayley's, Walsh. So all formulas you have to. Now already index numbers, 2 types of index numbers are there. 3 types: price index numbers, quantity index numbers, and value index numbers. So all the methods we have to write. So aggregative method, like weighted, unweighted. So all you have to explain. So the next is importance and advantages of index numbers. So these are very important questions. So next, when it comes to the problems, you need to learn the formulas. So already the important instruction is, whenever you are getting any question which is related to the last place, patches, Marshall, Edgeworth, Darby or Fisher index numbers, it compulsory you have to learn all these formulas. So compulsory in exam, if he is not given anything, so first simply will ask that from the following data calculate last place, patches. So you always use price index only. If specifically if is asking the quantity index, then only we need to perform the quantity index numbers. So more as per the syllabus, you will be having what, price index numbers only. So if is asking specifically quantity, then you have to use quantity index number formulas. So this is very important. Next, to time reversal and factor reversal. So already almost once you learn the question number 9 or what are last place, patches, whatever the methods are there, so almost it will cover your long answer. So next, when it comes to the next question is time reversal, factor reversal. Already Fisher ideal index number satisfies the time reversal test and factor reversal test, both you have to write. P01 into P10 is equal to 1, and the factor reversal test is nothing but P01 into Q01. You should get value index. So next, base shifting. This is also one of the important questions. So they will be giving one question, in that one particular year will be base year. So we need to reconstruct the given problem by taking the another year as base year. So in the given question, it will mention that which year we have to make it as a base year. So by making use of that year, so that value we have to divide all the values with that value, and we have to do into 100. So next is splicing. Already two types of splicings are there: forward splicing, backward splicing. So everything you have to explain. Next, you can expect like 4 marks questions, aggregative method and simple average of price relatives method. So these are the short answers. Though these questions you can expect in 4 marks question. Okay. So next, when it is comes to the unit 3. So unit 3, first question is what is time series? So it is very very important question. What is time series and uses and components of time series? So this is also very very important question. So next, when it is comes to importance of or significance of time series, so we have to write about the importance significance. Now this is one of the 4 marks question, freehand method. So simply they will be giving the question. What you have to do, just we have to draw the what are the values which are given in the problem. You have to plot all these values in the graph. So just we have to join the line, okay, and we have to draw one line, so it should cover more number of points. So that is called as freehand method. And semi-averages method, it is of even or odd numbers are there. So if the even number of observations are there, so you have to divide the problem into two parts, the first part and second part. So first part values we have to add and divided by 2 we have to do, and the second part values we have to add and we have to do. So what are the values are getting, that values we have to plot on the graph. So that is called as semi-average. So this semi-average and freehand you can expect in 4 marks question. So next, utility. So utility is nothing but applications. So where we are using time series in our real life, so that you have to explain. So then when it comes to the problems, so these two problems are very very important problems in 12 marks. Compulsory you will get 12 marks question from this, at a moving average and least square method. So these are very very important problems. So next, when it comes to the unit number 4, so mutual or independent exclusive or mutually exclusive events or independent events, both are same. Not mutually events or dependent events, both are same. So don't get confusion in exam. So you have to write about the theory about this. Okay. So next comes to the concept of axioms of probability. Okay. So this you have to explain. Next, very very important question is define probability and okay, explain the various basic concepts involved in probability. So this is also one of the important. Next, state various methods or approaches to probability. So next, very very important problems will be there in the unit number 4, with repetition problem and without repetition problem. Compulsory one question you will be getting, okay, from unit 1 problem. Okay. So when it comes to the last unit, so the first question is very 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 important question. So what is the meaning of normal distribution and explain its properties. Okay. So these are very very important theory question from unit 5. So when it comes to the one more question, discuss about the Poisson distribution. So sometimes you can get this question in your in 4 marks also, this question. So next, discuss this is also one 4 marks question. Sometimes if the problem is not given, in that case you will be getting this question. So only binomial distribution. So compulsory 2 problems are given here, binomial problem and next Poisson problem, both are given. So compulsory, if you learn these two, compulsory 112 marks question you will be getting in your final exam. If you can leave normal distribution in choice, it's your choice, but now my suggestion is normal distribution is easier than binomial and Poisson. Okay. So these videos will be uploaded in my channel. So complete business statistics 2 videos will be uploaded. Just you can make use of those questions and practice it. So just listen and practice it. 100% I'm saying you can do any problem, that much of guarantee I can give you. Okay. So please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education to get further updates. Thank you.